Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore OCR workflow with OneDrive file scanning, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your OCR workflow with OneDrive file scanning, start by ensuring you have the OneDrive app installed on your device. Open the OneDrive app and sign in to your Microsoft account. Navigate to the Photos tab within the app. Look for the option to scan a document or photo. Tap on the scan icon, usually represented by a camera symbol. Position the document you want to scan within the camera frame. Ensure the document is well lit and clearly visible. Once aligned, tap the Capture button to take a photo of the document. After capturing, review the image for clarity and alignment. If needed, adjust the crop to focus on the document's content. Confirm the scan by selecting the appropriate option, usually marked as Save or Done. Once saved, the document will be uploaded to your OneDrive storage. Next, navigate to the My Files section of OneDrive. Locate the newly scanned document in your files. Select the document to open it. Within the document view, look for OCR options, typically found in Edit or Action menus. Choose the option to run OCR on the document. After the OCR process is complete, review the extracted text for accuracy. If necessary, make any edits to improve the text quality. Once you're satisfied with the text, save any changes made. Your OCR workflow is now restored, allowing for easy access to the scanned and editable text. To further enhance your workflow, consider organizing your files into folders for better management. Regularly check for updates in the OneDrive app to utilize the newest features. This streamlined process will optimize your document handling and text retrieval capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.